This is Casey Rivers, March 17th, 2011, and this is the read aloud version of my I Want to Be a Hero.t35.com article, The Value of Practice. People probably tell you all the time practice makes perfect. Well, I don't really think it needs to be repeated to your face again and again, but for me the statement is absolutely 100% true. A lot of people think my drawings are really amazing. You know how long I've practiced? Since about kindergarten or before? Yeah, of course someone who started yesterday isn't going to be as good. Unless you really are, in which case you are a genius, and you should be solving the problems of the universe instead of doodling. And if you're not a genius, you need to practice. Don't compare yourself to more talented artists or animators or anything until you've been at it a long time and are considerably one yourself. My first drawing sucked. My first animation sucked. My first 100 animations sucked. Actually, it was way more than that. You get the point, though. When I first got Flash, my brain thought, what the bleep is this bleep? And it ended up sitting unused for a month or more. Flash, not my brain. Morons. It'll be hard, very hard, but don't lose hope and keep persisting. Yes, sometimes you'll want to give up. I have. Yes, a lot of the time you'll get discouraging criticisms. There was even one guy who wrote me a long-winded and very technical statement just telling me to go to hell. And yes, I had a third thing and entirely forgot what I was saying. But if you give up, you'll never get to see the brighter future over the horizon. Hey, my first band story animation was a picture-by-picture MS Paint fight where I try my friend with a laser. My last band story animation was featured by Dre86 and Deity Zeeks, and favorited by Green Cream, and faved by Bobunic Productions, and featured by Maple Missile. Shall I go on? And a link to my first band story animation will be in the description if you don't believe me.